In this episode of Just Ask Jake, we'll be talking about the 8 requirements you need to meet to legally call a room in your home a bedroom. Stay tuned. Hey there, Jake with JWK Design here, helping families just like yours create their comfortable, modern home. Building codes vary state to state, but based on the 2015 International Residential Code, here are the 8 requirements that your architect or contractor will need to meet. 1. Room size. The room area needs to be a minimum of 70 square feet. 2. For 2 means of egress, meaning 2 ways to get out of the room in case of a fire, and one of which, be it a window or door, needs to open to the outside without special keys or tools. 3. Minimum window size. To be considered an egress window, the window opening must be at least 5 square feet for ground level or basement apartments and 5.7 square feet for bedrooms on floors above that. Most window manufacturers show their egress windows that meet the 5.7 square foot requirement in their catalogs, usually noted with special symbols. The window opening must also have a minimum height of 24 inches, minimum width of 20 inches, and the windowsill needs to be between 24 and 44 inches above the floor. 4. Minimum room width. A bedroom must measure a minimum of 7 feet in any horizontal direction. If you have a question that you'd like answered in a future episode, leave a comment below or message me on all the socials with the hashtag JustAskJake. 5. Minimum ceiling height. At least half of the bedroom ceiling needs to be 7 feet tall. 6. Heating and ventilation. Heating for the winter, ventilation for the summer. 7. Arc fault circuit interrupter protection. Say that 5 times fast. Required for all new construction and remodels, AFCI protected breakers and outlets will trip the circuit if loose or corroded wiring in the walls causes a spark. This minimizes the risk of fire. And 8. Smoke alarms. Every bedroom needs to have one. Legally speaking, a bedroom does not have to have a closet, but your realtor or significant other will probably say otherwise. It's important to be educated before working with an architect or contractor so that your family can sleep safely at night in an actual bedroom. For more videos on planning your next renovation, designing your custom home, or getting that backyard that you've always wanted, click the subscription link below and the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, see ya.